Hi, we're here today at our project Lance with our homeowner, Adam, who's called upon us to help him with his primary bathroom suite.
I'm Brett Seidel, the owner and principal designer of Lewis & Rose Interiors, a residential interior design firm located in booming Frisco, Texas. We are so excited to bring you everything from practical design tips and tricks, to fun room reveals, to informative interviews, and of course, a whole lot of really beautiful designs. Like, subscribe, and then comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you and can't wait to share with you some truly fun and inspiring content. So welcome.
So Adam, why don't you tell everyone a little bit about why you came to us and what your major priorities are for your primary suite?
I came to you guys because, Brett's work is amazing. You guys are great at what you do. And I wanted something different. I wanted something that was modern, something that was unique. I'm in my bathroom multiple times a day. I didn't need a bath because baths are way too boring. So I want a bigger shower. I want a fancy Japanese toilet that does all of the things, that washes me and dries me and saves toilet paper. I just want a cool space.
Absolutely. So the cool thing about Adam's project is that we have that trust already, and his style is so funky and cool. So we're really gonna turn his personality into his own space. That way when people walk in there, it's not the traditional primary bathroom. It speaks fully to Adam's personality, and it really feels like a new and inviting space for him. Today is our initial walkthrough day with our contractor. So we're gonna walk through our initial scope of plans with them, look at the structural elements and any of our big ticket items so they can provide an initial bid for us on what this will likely cost. So I will go ahead and send it over to our lead designer on the project, Ari.
Well, I know you have some specific points in this bathroom that are your top of the line, have to musts. So do you want to let Brendan in on those?
Yeah. I'm pretty low maintenance and I'm pretty uncreative, if the truth is told, which is why, they're going to help me. The only things that I really want is a really nice toilet, one of those Japanese ones that cleans your bunghole. We can bleep that out if you want to.
Yeah.
And then I want a shower that's bigger and better. And I don't want a bath. And then the only other thing is this wall. The house is designed in a terrible way. The guest bedroom's pillow is literally here. So it's like I'm pooping on their head. So literally when I have people stay, I don't even use my own bathroom because the thought of waking someone up by pooping. Yeah.
Okay, we don't know what to do.
But that's about it. That's really all of my input.
That leads us into the demo, I guess. So first page of our construction document here. Again, taking out that big tub, and we're gonna open up the shower. Ideally, if we could bring out that glass door to kind of line up with the edge of the tub here so we can widen it a little for him. As far as shower system goes, he wants a rainfall shower head, body sprayers, and a handheld sprayer as well.
Okay.
Now, I know we have plumbing here. Would it be possible to add body sprayers here since we plan to add a bench? We don't want him to sitting out in the cold with the showers all the way up.
Yeah, that's no problem. We can move the plumbing.
Cool. And then we'll be tiling all the way up to the ceiling as well. We're gonna do a shower niche in that wall, TBD on the exact location there.
Okay.
And then new flooring throughout. And then fresh coat of paint on the walls.
Tile all the way up. And then glass, typically we won't go all the way to, you're saying glass all the way up. We typically won't go to the ceiling just so the steam can get out. So we're usually about a foot lower. But again, it's plenty of glass, don't worry.
Awesome. These doors on this side are all gonna stay as is. We are looking to just swap this one out for a little more aesthetic one.
Okay, same size, all that, keep that. Okay.
Keep the opening, everything, trim is the same.
Yep.
So here we're gonna completely gut the existing vanity. He doesn't need all this storage. Instead, we're opting for a vertical tower here all the way to the ceiling, kind of help alleviate some of the heaviness on that side of the room.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do an upper and a bottom cabinet. We do have an outlet here we'd like to keep access to within that cabinet so he can plug in his shaver and his toothbrush and keep that all concealed.
Yes, no problem.
And then we'll keep that outlet as is there. I think that light switch controls the closet. We're gonna be adding a LED mirror and doing a pendant light here. So if we can add a second switch there.
Okay.
Make that all usable. Oh, and stain grade on the cabinet.
Stain grade?
Yep.
Okay. It is floating vanity?
Yep.
Okay.
So if you guys need to add any blocking, we'll leave that up to y'all's discretion.
Yep.
Perfect. And then lastly, in his fancy Japanese toilet room. So in here, we want to do an accent color. We're likely going to do 2/3 of the way up the wall.
Okay.
And it's not going to have board and batten. It'll just be a color change in there. And then we'll carry that onto trim and door on the interior of the space. Have a bold pop in there. And then we'll do the toilet with the wash lid. So that might need electrical as well.
Okay. Yeah. Nothing scared me away. I'll stay.